What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to go to the computer and do a live trade for you guys using my earner report strategy. I also want to explain it to the new guys what I do here on this YouTube channel. And the course giveaway announcement will be on the weekend in my stock video, guys. So make sure you stick around to see who won my courses giveaway. So if you haven't entered yet into the course giveaway, look at the last video I released and you'll find out how to enter. So let's go through the whiteboard and let's talk about it. We trade specific stocks, guys. Stocks that have catalyst, i.e. something that will influence the stock to shoot up in value by 10%, 20%, whatever percentage, either up or down in value. Our job is to analyze, find out whether we should buy the stock or short it. So, in today's case, I traded FedEx, FDX. FedEx is a stock. Now, most of you are familiar with the company FedEx. So, that is the stock. They told us on December 19th they will release an earner report. An earner report includes financial information about the company, and it says that this company is going to grow or not, right? So obviously, as an investor, I have to put my money into a stock that is only growing, is showing financial growth. So if this stock is not showing financial growth, i.e. the earner report, ER, is not showing financial growth, I'm going to short that stock. If it's showing financial growth, I'm going to buy that stock. So if an earner report is good, we buy the stock. If an earner report is bad, we short the stock. Now simple terminology. So in this case, we shorted the stock. Why? Because the earner report was bad. And by the way, we know the exact dates the earner report will be released. Weeks before they're even released. So our job is simple. Sit around on the exact dates the company releases this. If you haven't watched my older videos, go ahead and watch them because I explained them to you even further. So let's go to the computer and let's talk about this even more. Okay, guys, so today we're going to trade FedEx. Now, FedEx, I already put my order on my actual account, so I just want to do this for you guys, a demonstration. So FedEx for me is going to be a 2-day hold. So I'm going to short FedEx for 2 days. Maybe at the end of the day, I'll take my profits. But you can see pre-market has already, slumped by 8%. Now, I already put my order pre-market. 2 minutes and the market actually opens for everybody. So I just want to do something here for you guys. I want to show you what happens when the market opens for that stock. Now, why is it down in value by 8%? Well, just like I explained in many of my videos, there's an earner report released today. And yes, we can, we knew that today this stock was going to go down in value or up in value significantly because I explained to you in many of my videos. So FedEx earner view slashes as global trade starts slowing. Okay, so they just came out with bad guidance in the earner report that says we're not going to be growing for the next few months. So there's no growth. So what's going to happen? Companies will, or people, investors will kind of get rid of their shares, right? They're not going to invest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a short position. Why am I shorting that stock? FedEx, as you can see. Well, this is just for you guys, by the way. This is a demonstration. So we got 1 minute. I'm shorting it because it came out with a negative earner report. That means the earner report wasn't good, right? So it's going to basically repel investors, repel money from coming into that stock. So everyone around the world today is shorting FedEx. It's not just me. So I'm going to go in with the trend. I'm also going to short FedEx because there's no investors. People are pulling their money away from that stock because it came out with negative news. Remember that. So 1 minute, I already executed, right? I'm already 2% up on my actual account. But this one here, I just want to do for you guys. I want to show you how to trade these. That's why I make these. Look at the candlesticks, right? Look at the way it's going down even further. So I put in my short position. Obviously, after a drop, it has to go up in value. But I know after an earner report like this, guys, there's no way this stock is going to go up in value. It's going down, especially in a market like ours. So in that case, what I'm saying to myself, I'm going to make money. Now, look, 200 minus 200, that's me losing minus 200. But that's the confidence. That's how you know the psychology. When you understand the psychology of traders, you understand that this kind of volatility, temporary volatility, I don't care about it. So yeah, I'm expecting a $20 over here. So you can see $15, guys, so far. It's $16 down. I'm expecting this to be $20, right? So what is shorting? Let's just talk about what is shorting. Shorting is when you bet the stock is going to go down in value. So I just shorted FedEx at 169, you can say. Now it's at 170, so I'm already down by $1. right? So it's 170 now. I want it to go down to 168, 167. So this is a stock that I'm gonna hold for like 2 days, and that's on my other account. I'm actually holding for 2 days, but yeah, you can see a spike coming in. So I'm actually gonna short one more time. We're losing, but we know how this is gonna play out. So no worries, no worries. Just relax, take a deep breath. This is how the market goes. If you look at the trend, you see that's exactly where we're going. Why? Because we understand the fundamentals and the behavior of traders. So $30, 20. So as explained to you guys, this is exactly what's happening. You know, we're down even further, and I'm making money when the stock is going down. Why? Because I have a short position. So in that case, I will liquidate my position, take some of that money because I'm not greedy. Yeah, now we're liquidating and we're out. And that's the way you make money trading my strategy. See, guys, this is when you start being successful in trading. It's when you start understanding the behavior of stocks. So what did I tell you earlier? I told you that a drop will occur, a pullback will happen, which means once this drop happens, the stock will shoot up a little bit even further. Now that's the pullback, but in reverse. Now look, this is where we opened up, where the mouse, right? It was at 180 something. Bad earner report happened. We dropped down on value by $20 or 10%, right? What happens when a drop happens? A pullback, i.e. it's going to go up on value once again, just a little bit. But it's also going to go back down till the end. It's going to be wiped with the floor. So understanding that, you start understanding that that's where the money is, right? That's how you start making money. It's not even about how much I make today or what's in my current value, what's my investment worth. It's about understanding these things, and that's what makes you successful at the end of the day. It's being with the market, right? Understanding what's going on. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this, explain to you what's going on here in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'll keep you updated. Alright guys, well that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I appreciate you for watching. The course giveaway will be announced on the weekend. If you haven't entered, look at the older videos. And again, if you're interested in my courses, make sure you get them before December, because I am going to double the price for my courses because I'm adding new content. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I wish you the best of luck in your trading. Keep practicing until you find your edge, and when you do, you'll be laughing just like I am. See you again for another Just Like Always.